Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a new box to the channel. It is the Trouvailles box, so let's get into it and I'll tell you all about it. Trouvailles reached out to me and asked if I would like to review this for the channel, and I said absolutely. I would love for you guys to be able to see new boxes. And this is the Trouvailles, and it says treats and treasures from around the world. So I think we're gonna have snacks, and it says you can have home decor, wearable items, bath and body, all kinds of goodies in here. It says ready for your next travel adventure, and I also think it's my first Canadian box, so welcome, and thanks again to them for shipping it out. Let me tell you a little bit about it before we get into it. Since it is brand new, I don't want to miss any of the important details. It is approximately $39.13, and the variation in that is because it comes from Canada, so the exchange rate could be different. But right now it is $39.13. It comes out bi-monthly, and you can pay by the month. You can get a 6-month plan, which brings the price down to $37.56, depending on the exchange rate, or you can go for a full year, which brings it down to $36 a box. I will put the link below, and with that and my code CATH88, which I'll also put below, with a 6-month or 1-year subscription, you will also get a free gift. All of the boxes have 6 to 8 full-size products in it, authentic food and lifestyle products from the featured destination. We'll have a booklet, a collectible postcard, and bonus digital content. And periodically they throw in extra goodies. All right, let's check this out. I'm excited. I'm not even sure where our first destination is. It is Russia, so that is what that looks like. I'll read a little bit off the back in a second. I am so excited to get in here. We have our little booklet on top, and then all of our goodies. So the back of the card says, welcome to Russia. We've explored the world's biggest nation from its Baltic West to Pacific East to pack this month's box to the brim with our favorite Russian discoveries just for you. We take out our booklet. That is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and look inside. It might be cheating, but I'm gonna look. It says it's edition number 8, January 22. It tells us things that if we went there, we wouldn't want to miss, like the Trans-Siberian Express. They have an orchestra too, I think. The Banya and Nevsky's Prospect. And then it goes into what we're gonna get. So I'm gonna quit reading at this point, and we're just gonna dig right in. First out of the box, I have, Kapayan. I don't know how to say this. It looks like maybe deep fried pickles with a dill sauce on it, or maybe. That's what that looks. Oh, we have paperwork. Yay, we have paperwork. It says, a uniquely Russian twist on snack food. These rye rusks, or snack croutons, are flavored with the taste of dill pickle and include a small dipping sauce tray within the bag. Pickling has a long history in Russia, used to keep foods preserved through long winters. It is often consumed with a glass of vodka. Okay, I'm gonna have to get onto the back of this and see. There are very small words down here that I think might be ingredients, and if I can eat them, I will absolutely talk about them over on my Insta. Next out, again, I don't know what this says. Now, you know what? I never thought I needed to learn Cyrillic. I apparently was wrong. That is what that looks like. And just for the record, I don't know if it's coming across. These are big snacks. This isn't like a small candy bar. These are huge. It says Timoshka Sunflower Seed Kazanak. I love sunflower seeds. Russia is officially the world's 2nd biggest sunflower seed producer, second only to the Ukraine. And either squeezed as oil or right from the shell, it's a favorite taste throughout the country. Kazanak, a fondly remembered childhood treat sold by street vendors, is similar to sesame or peanut brittle, but crowned with the beloved sunflower seed. All right, well, I don't see any ingredients in this in English, so we'll check into this too. And again, I'll put all the food over on Insta. That will be fun. Next out, another big snack. What is this? Oh, these are no words I can read. I even thought for a second, do I have it upside down? But no, this is right. I think this is right. So let's see what the paperwork says. Tulski Pryaniki. I am sure I'm saying all of this so incredibly wrong. Honey spice cake with sweet filling. The city of Tula is most known for its glazed, jam-filled spice cakes, individually stamped with ornate decoration, the perfect tea time accompaniment. The Tula Pryanik's history dates back to the 17th century and the city's weapons trade. In periods of downtime, local gunsmiths created even more complicated metal molds for their favorite sweet treat. Isn't that interesting? And this one does have the ingredients on it, so we'll get into that. Next we have, ooh, I look how cute she is. I had one of these when I was a little girl and I thought it was so cool. It's a Matryoshka doll and it's a set of 5, one of Russia's most recognizable handicrafts. Matryoshka dolls recall the country's history of large peasant families led by strong mother figures. These hand-painted ladies are typically embellished with designs that are rich in symbolism and history, from specific flowers to their dress style and even famous landmarks. Best of all, each doll is full of surprises. Well, let's take her apart, but isn't she cute? That is the next one. These are gonna get tiny. And that is the next one. Goodness, I almost can't get it open. You think that's gonna open? Oh my gosh. That is the next one. Can you guys see? It's like the size of my thumb joint. I think this one's gonna open. It does. Oh my gosh. Mine were not this tiny when I was little. Look. It's just a tiny one, you know, my pinky nail size. So cute. That is adorable. Oh, that is what it looks like once you get it all put back together. So stinking cute. Next out, ooh, I think Baltic Amber. I'm guessing. It looks like amber to me. Let's see what this says. It's like I cheated and I promise I didn't. Baltic Amber Bracelet. Officially part of the country but nestled between Poland and Lithuania is the Baltic Sea. Kaliningrad Oblast is separated from the rest of Russia by almost 400 kilometers. Locals there make these bracelets from high-quality Baltic amber fossilized tree resin, formed 44 million years ago in a variety of naturally occurring colors and sure to add pop to any outfit. Keep away from direct heat and extreme temperatures. Store in a cloth bag or cloth-lined box. Let's check this out. It is sealed in here. That's interesting. That is what it looks like. So pretty. Actually kind of goes with what I have on. It really does. That is so pretty. I like that a lot. I'm gonna take it off so don't forget to put it in my flat lay pictures, but that is so pretty. All right, next out we have, I still don't know. Looks like a Faberge egg or Easter egg. That is what that looks like. Let's find it in the book. Faberge eggs were introduced at the courts of the Tsars Alexander III and Nicholas II, soon developing into a national craze throughout Russia. Use this Faberge-inspired tin egg as a perfect hiding spot. It's safe to keep in full sight and surprise. Until then, enjoy the high-quality Ceylon tea tucked inside, which Russians typically enjoy with jam as a sweetener. Really interesting idea. When you open it up, it has a bag of Ceylon tea in it. That's awesome, because you guys know I love tea. I will tell you though, it is seriously closed once you close it. All right, looks like we have another snack. With more words I can't do. It's all Cyrillic. It's all Cyrillic to me. This is our bonus item. It is an Alenka milk chocolate bar with caramelized milk filling. Our Facebook group members have a chance to earn a bonus item in every box. And this month's box features the best known post-Soviet chocolate. Cosmonaut Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman in space, and Russia's most iconic chocolate brand was named for her daughter, Alenka. Created by Chocolate Factory, and then it has in quotes for me, Red October. Operating since 1851, Alenka chocolates even have their own museum in Moscow. Wow. So if this is something you do, it's worth joining their Facebook group because you can get the bonus item if you do. Well, this is another one that I cannot wait to eat. So that is what we received in our Trouvailles box. What do you guys think? You'll have to let me know below. I will put the link with my code Kath88, which if you sign up, gets you an extra gift in your box. And we received in this one some really good snacks. Those that look like pickles, how cool is that? This one I think is gonna be sweet. And this one was the sunflower. And this one is the chocolate bar. There's some good snacking going on there. We got the beautiful Baltic Amber bracelet and the 10 Faberge style egg with tea in it. And the Matryoshka dolls that were so cute and got so little. So that is what came in the January Trouvailles. It comes out every 2 months, so I suspect if you get a box now, this is still the one that you would get. But be sure and check if you sign on. And when I was online looking up all this information, I think I saw that the next box is going to be Guatemala. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. This is what that postcard looked like. And it says, Kathrin, enjoy this virtual trip to Russia. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I don't know them, because this is new to the channel, I will try and find out for you. I really appreciate Trouvailles for sending me this box. It is a fun, new, different box. I love the ones that are mixed, like snacks and lifestyle or wine and lifestyle. Or I like the ones that really, they're different. And That's why I like this one. It is $39.13 with the exchange rate as of when we're talking about this. And thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon over on Instagram eating those snacks. Talk to you later, guys.